You are entering the 1200 hallway of the first floor. In this hallway, you will find welding, construction, and machining. Welding is a dual credit program through Lone Star. In welding, students have the opportunity to earn certifications in NCCER Core, NCCER Welding Level 1, NCCER Welding Level 2, and OSHA 30. Students learn three types of weld: stick, MIG, and TIG. Construction is a dual credit program through Lone Star. In construction, students have the opportunity to earn NCCER Core certification, NCCER Carpentry Level 1 certification, and OSHA 30 certification. In machining, we have trainers, but not exclusively. This is how the students can potentially learn to program. It is a replica of what is actually on the machines. Machining is metal manufacturing. Students in machining have the opportunity to earn a certification as a NIMS CNC mill operator.